Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough through Facebook ads. Yes, I recently set up this page, and yes, I was just thinking, how about I just make a video on how I'll be setting up Facebook ads for whatever stuff I'll be doing on this page, okay? And yes, this applies to anyone who is looking to set up his or her business online, all right? Yes, this actually works. There's a need for you to try to boost your online presence and to reach out to more people and more audience. So that's our goal for this video, is to ensure that to an extent you are able to kind of set up Facebook ads for your business yourself. Okay, so now let's move into the business of the day. All right, so now obviously, it should also be on this page that I am, which will be your Facebook page. So before you think about setting up Facebook ads, you must ensure you have a page. All right. Yes, it will not be for yourself. Probably you are rendering it as a service to a client. Okay. Yes, you can render Facebook ads as a service to a client. You can leverage on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and so many other platforms. So what just ensure you learn the skills and then you can offer it as a service. Okay, yes, you can offer it as a service. All right, so either ways, you have a business or you don't, you can always render it as what, as a service. So now let us move on. Ensure that a page is already created. Okay, page is already created, because without the page there's no way you can run a Facebook ads. Okay, unless you just want to stick to posting a post. All right, but here, ensure you have a page you want to work with. So I have my what is it called right here, my Facebook profile. So I'll just locate page. Okay, just have to locate the page. So now that I have the page, I'll just open it up. All right, now as you can see, it is a new page. I'm just working on it. So now that we are on the page, all right, now that we are on the page, I just want you to do is go to your business suite. Right, go to Meta Business Suite. I believe you can see my arrow. Go to Meta Business Suite. So it's actually easy to navigate. So nothing complex. Go to Business Suite. So this is gonna open business.facebook.com. Okay, gonna open business.facebook.com. So now let's move forward. The next place you are going to be going to is our ads manager, because that's where we'll be creating the ads. Our ads manager. Let's wait for it to load up. Okay, welcome. Right, so yes, you can see we have us right here. Okay, let me switch this, the correct ad account. Okay, so yeah, all right, so as you can see, I'm actually creating it already right here, but then I decided to just make it as a video for anyone that is willing to kind of see how setting up Facebook ads looks like. All right, so that's why I'm doing this. So now let us just do this very fast. Let me turn this off. Alright, so yes, the first thing I'm gonna do is locate the create button right here. Alright, as you can see, we have create right here. So click on create. So what it's gonna ask you, just leave this one as default, leave it as unction. Okay, so it is going to request for choose a campaign objective, and yes, we have this awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion. So in this ads, I'm going to be working with engagement, and the reason is that I want whoever that come across whatever I'm promoting online to kind of message me directly in my inbox. Okay, yes, you can choose to go for traffic if that works for you. can choose to go for leads if that works for you. There are other ones you can make use of, but that is the reason why I'm using engagement. All right, I've given you the reason I'm doing that. So let's move on. Continue. So now I'm going to be selecting the manual campaign. I don't want the automatic. I want to be able to control everything myself. Okay. So now let's move on. So yeah, starting from the campaign. So I'll just give it okay. Um HC campaign. Alright. So just ensure you give it, this place doesn't really show on in public, it is private, so you can recognize whatever ads you are working with. Okay, so now let's just look this through. Sorry. So your special ad categories, blah blah, just leave this place as default. Okay, nothing to set up here, just leave it as what, as default. All right, so that's just leave that place as default, don't touch it. So now let us move to the next set on the campaign, which is the ad set. Okay, so now let us go. I'm gonna be giving this a name too. Let's call it MHC ad set. Alright, so now it is asking us messaging apps. Get people to engage with your brand on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. Alright, so this is what I'm looking for. I want people to be able to message me on my Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. That's what I want. But if you want calls, yes, you can select calls. And if you want to get people to engage with your website, you can select it. But you know, the reason why I'm here from the beginning is to get people to come into my inbox directly. Alright, so yes, click to message. Alright, so the next thing I have here is, yeah, can you see the reason why I request that you must first have your page ready at first. So you can see here the page has been selected, and if by adventure you have multiple page, just select the right page and you want to kind of run the ads for. Yes, I've already connected my WhatsApp, Instagram, and all. If your WhatsApp is not connected, I believe you should see a settings here that is going to prompt you to connect a number. Alright, so you can receive messages on WhatsApp. As you can see here, my ad is open up to get messages on Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So let us move forward. Okay, I want to ensure we are all good. Alright, so scrolling down, just leave all this by default. My daily budget, I'll be setting it at 10. Alright, I'm setting it at $10. Okay, let me just leave the start date. I can post it whenever I want. Alright, so you can see the start date, you can see the end date. So the start date, alright, it is starting today, and then the end date, the day you want it to end. But I'm leaving it because I can come back and turn it off whenever I want. Okay, so now let us move forward. Alright, so you have budget scheduling, blah blah blah. Let's go. Okay, so we have audience control. Yes, so this is a very crucial aspect. Alright, this is a very crucial aspect. So now I'm going to be doing some editing here. Yes, so I'll first remove this Nigeria. Okay, so I'll first remove this Nigeria. So I'll be making use of states. And yes, this is my advice for you that are running ads. Ensure you are kind of targeting the states. Know the state you want to reach out to rather than countries, so as to kind of reduce the amount of money you'll be spending. Yeah, so it is actually best to always know your target audience. Okay, so for me, I'm in Nigeria and I'm targeting Lagos. Yes, I'm starting with that for now. Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, yes, city, Lagos of Nigeria. Okay, let's go. So you can decide to choose how the radius you want it to be. All right. Okay, so I'm trying to choose the radius I want it to be. So I'm selecting the highest radius. Alright, so let us move forward, and Boom. Which people living or recently in this location? Alright, that's correct. Alright, so let's go. So right here, I'll be showing more options. I want to see what Facebook has for me here. Alright, so yeah, for the age, minimum age, yeah, let me leave that as 18. Let me leave that as 18. Language, alright, yeah, all languages. What else? Let's check out the audience. Yeah, it's very important to know your target audience. So you can now quickly create a lookalike, blah blah. Alright, that's good. So now, yes, I'm leaving the age as default. The genders, I'm leaving the genders. Yes, but you have to pay attention to the gender of your products. If your product is for female, ensure you are selecting the right audience, which is alright. Ensure you know the gender. Okay. If it is for men, select men. If it is for women, select women. That is the reason for this. Just to ensure there is a your target audience is being kind of niched down to the correct audience. Okay, so just get that. That's just what this place is all about. But I'm believing mine at all. Okay, I'll switch out to everyone. So now, speaking of the people I want to include, all right. So let me see. Let me see. I share. Okay, come on. I have my documents here. Okay, so I'm looking to reach out to people with high paying job, blah blah blah, luxury brands, frequent travelers. Yeah, but these are people I'm looking to target. So first of all, let me start with luxury. Yeah, I believe these people kind of luxury. Let's see, luxury content. Let me see. Let me set luxury itself. Alright, let me add one more luxury. Luxury travel, and let me put some more. Yes, it's actually advisable to not make this thing too much, right? And most of the times you can actually separate it by duplicating your ad set so as to monitor which one is kind of generating more traffic for you over time. This is just a I just chip this in more like an idea that you can kind of implement, right, when setting up your Facebook ads. Yes, your Facebook ads is not just all about you set it all up at once and boom, you get it that instant. Yeah, you might be lucky and everything works out at that instant, but then you have to always ensure to work with stats, right? Learn to duplicate and see how which of the demographics is performing for your business. Okay, this is just the tip for you. Just a tip for you. So I can achieve that by just duplicating the ad sets. For example, if I'm just dealing with all this luxury stuff, I can stop here, duplicate this ad set, this particular ad set can still duplicate right here, duplicate it, and then select another demographics, alright. I'll be able to monitor each ad set. But for now, I'll just put everything in one. So what else? Engage shoppers. Okay, engage shoppers. Let's see. So I'll be selecting newly engaged shoppers. I want new people. Alright. I want new people. As you can see, this is dropping. My reach is dropping. Alright. Yes. And that one will also save me money. So let's go. Let's go. Already have engaged shoppers. Yes. Frequent travelers. Let's put that. Frequent travelers. Alright. So what else? What else? What else? Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, travelers. Do I have something that I'm missing here? Okay, I'm not using all that I have here though. Yes. So let me just stick to that for now. Let me check. Smartphone. Yes, some people using smartphones. Yes. Facebook has a smartphones and tablets. Yes. I'm selecting new smartphone and tablet users. Yes, surely this kind of people are using the likes of iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max. That means, well, actually, they might actually have money and I can push my product to them for them to check it out. Okay, so let us go. So I'll be stopping there and boom. What else? So that's the most important part when it comes to Facebook ads. Ensure you do your personal research on whatever products you are working with. You can leverage on Google, check things out, or you can leverage on ChatGPT to give you ideas on who your target audience should be. Okay, these are tips that you can actually make use of when you are working with your Facebook ads. So let us move forward while we proceed with this. So for the placement, yeah, you can decide to make use of the automatic one, or you can decide to use the manual one. Right, but I'll be leaving that as default. I'll allow Facebook to do whatever placement they are gonna do for me. So since we are done with this place, just click on next. Okay, so now we have the ad itself. MHC ad. So I'm renaming everything each step. So blah blah. So I'm using single image of video. Okay, let's go. So it is requesting me to add my media. And I'm going to add a video because I have a video. I have a video. Okay, let me upload my video. What is it? Right, I'll make use of this. So just let's give it some time to upload. It's uploading. Okay. Right, so I've been able to pick a size to kind of sort the issue of Facebook size on my ads. So yes, ensure you follow Facebook recommended size on the ratios, ensure you follow that. So let me just go ahead. So I've uploaded the video. So for my primary text, ensure you have your primary text. Yes, and your headline. I have my headline right here. Right, I'm using this, and yeah, using that as my headline. Okay, my primary text. My primary text is gonna be this. This will be my primary text. Okay. Alright, so let me see. Alright, so I've just put this at the top. Okay, the URL from some of my. Okay, yes. Let me just copy the link. Let's copy this link. Copy. And just paste it. Okay. Alright, so yeah, that is that. It's my right. So let's go. So call to action. Let's contact us. So it's quite straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instruction. Okay, for the chat. Let me remove the questions. We need a question. So I'm removing the questions. I'm leaving just this. Save. What else? So that's that about Snap Facebook ads. Just ensure you have a well-written ad copy, your headline, and you are good. You are good. So that will be all for anyone who have a business that wants to promote. I hope I've been able to kind of walk you through how Facebook ads look like. And yes, ensure you connect your payments method whenever you want to start running your ads. Else, Facebook is not going to approve your ads. Alright, so ensure you add a payment method to your Facebook ad account. Alright, so that'll be all for now. I hope this has been able to help someone, and do well to share it to someone you think is gonna need this. And yeah, peace.